Do you have any plans right now to acquire any more?
Yes. So FY24, we ordered 2 more. We have got 1 in. We're waiting on the other one. There's been some production delays, which we know that they're addressing. We also have increased some of our hybrid vehicle purchases in certain classes. FY25, the market is increasing. We are looking at more F-150s. We're looking at the Silverado EV, which is coming online, the General Motors version, and in administrative type vehicles administrative, what we call like people hauler type vehicles. We're also looking at Tesla right now.
Tesla, the Cybertruck?
We are looking at the Cybertruck, but we're looking at Model 3, Model Y, passenger for executive type. The Model Y is a really nice vehicle, not to get off base the F-150, but the Model Y vehicle is similar or bigger than the Blazer EV. So we're actually looking at possibly adding that into our public safety group as replacements for Tahoe TPV. So very exciting.
You mentioned charging before in the app from Ford. Is that the Ford Pro setup? Did you go with all that?
We used, so we bought the Ford charger directly from Ford for the vehicle. We did not buy the premium charger. We bought the dumb charger because we wanted to keep it simple, because the vehicle is going to tell us everything we need to do the same as what the charger. I didn't need double input. So yes, that is through the Ford Pro. Ford Pro has a great program. We have a representative that knows the chargers, knows the vehicles inside and out.
Now, you are a public fleet. Not everyone is, but you are. Has the public noticed? Has anyone said anything?
We're starting to get some input because the people are starting to see the vehicles out in the community, and we have heard nothing but mainly positive things. We do get some people that don't like the segue into the EV market, but I would say 99% of the input that we're getting has been positive. The other positive part, we put one of these trucks in public safety, so it has our public safety emergency management decal package on it. So that vehicle is out in the community every day, nonstop for 8, 12, 15 hours a day working. So that vehicle has been I'd say it's a high priority, but it's also a high optic view of the vehicle out in the county. The regular F-150 Lightnings without that decal package on it kind of looks like a normal truck, like you really look at it. But we did a blast through our newsletter, and that went out to the public. So they're starting to see it.